Okay, so time to put my flashing on the running board. So I'm going to be using an industrial strength adhesive. I haven't used this before, but it does say that it's heat resistant and moisture resistant, which is really good. That's what we're gonna need for this, because as you walk on the surface of the running board on the treadmill, the belt is gonna build up heat. Also, I'll be attaching the flashing to the running board itself on the top and the bottom. The sides will be covered because of the running rails that you would actually stand on for the treadmill. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I got the flashing adhes to the board itself. The M3 high strength 90 contact adhesive made it stick really quickly. I was very impressed with it, and we'll see kind of how it works. So what I'm gonna do now that I have the board on here, so now I've got a little bit sticking off the end. I'm gonna fold down and under, and I'm actually gonna put screws in here on the end. So I'll show you what I'm doing with that.